This is Sonakshi. She reads in 5th class. Okay. And this is the, group of students I teach. On every Friday I come in their school, and almost I have taught them everything related to English. Like, on the basis of that they can speak. But there are some students, obviously, if they are weak in their studies, so definitely they don't perform better in my class, but it takes time to them to train. So, but there are some students, they are extraordinary, like this girl. So let us ask her some questions, some translation in English. मैं खेल रही हूँ.
I am playing.
ओके, वेरी गुड सोनाक्षी. मैं पढ़ रही हूँ.
I am studying.
ओके, मैं सो रही हूँ.
I am sleeping.
वेरी गुड. मैं कल सिटी जाऊँगी.
I go city tomorrow.
मैं कल सिटी जाऊँगी.
I will go city tomorrow.
वेरी गुड. मैं खेलूँगी.
I will play. I will play.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. मेरी बुक कहाँ है?
Where is my book?
मेरे पापा कहाँ हैं?
Where is my father?
वेरी नाइस. हॉस्पिटल कहाँ है?
Where is hospital?
ये मेरी सिस्टर है.
She is my sister.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ये मेरी फ्रेंड है.
She is my friend.
वेरी नाइस. क्या आप खेलोगे?
Will you play?
क्या आप पढ़ोगे?
Will you study?
वेरी नाइस. मेरी बुक कहाँ है?
Where is my book?
ये मेरी बुक है.
This is my book.
ये मेरी नोटबुक है.
This is my notebook.
वेरी नाइस. मेरे पास एक पेन है.
I have a pen.
मेरे पास 2 पेन हैं.
I have 2 pens.
Very good, very nice. This is, we should, you can say, attend class so that we can understand everything. Whatever our teacher wants to make us understand. Very nice, very nice. Okay. So, I will give one story to Sonakshi. Let's see how would she explain it in English language. Okay. Okay, so this is Sonakshi. I will give her a story in Hindi. Let's see how will she translate it into English. Okay, so the story is this. Sonakshi, the story goes like this. एक आदमी अपने बेटे के लिए खेलने के लिए मूंगूस लाता है मार्केट से. ठीक है, वो और उसकी वाइफ और उनका एक बच्चा होता है. वो उसकी वाइफ कहती है, नहीं, ये हमारे बच्चे को मार देगा, हार्म करेगा उसको, तो हम इसको घर में नहीं रख सकते. लेकिन वो आदमी कहता है, नहीं, मुंगू एक फ्रेंडली एनिमल होता है, ये हमारे बच्चे को कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, ये इसके साथ प्ले करेगा. तो फिर क्या होता है कि वो रख लेते हैं उसको. कुछ दिनों के बाद वो जो आदमी होता है वो और उसकी वाइफ मार्केट जाते हैं. ठीक है, मार्केट में जब वो चले जाते हैं तो उनकी एब्सेंस में, जब वो वहां पे नहीं होते हैं, तो एक स्नेक आता है और उनके बेटे पे अटैक करने लगता है. और मुंगूस जो होता है वो स्नेक के साथ फाइट करता है, वो स्नेक को मार देता है. बट मुंगू के फेस पे ना थोड़ा सा ब्लड लग जाता है स्नेक का. उसकी वाइफ जब आती है तो वो देखती है कि मुंगूस के मुंह पे ब्लड जो है वो लगा हुआ है. वो सोचती है कि इसने मेरे बेटे को मार दिया. वो मुंगूस को पत्थर से मार देती है. कि जब वो थोड़ा सा और आगे जाती है, अंदर जाती है, वो देखती है कि उसका बेटा, बच्चा जो है वो खेल रहा है. वो फिर बड़ी सैड हो जाती है कि मैंने उस एनिमल को मार दिया जिसने मेरी बेटी की जान बचाई. सोनाक्षी समझ आ गई पूरी? ठीक है, so let's see how Sonakshi will translate this beautiful story that I told her in Hindi. How will she translate into English language? Let's listen, Sonakshi. Okay, Sonakshi, stop.
Once a man, he has a baby. He live with her wife and her baby. He buys some noodles for her baby for playing. But his wife said that the mongoose will kill her kid. So the man said that mongoose is a friendly animal, so he doesn't kill our baby. So the wife agreed, but one day the wife, her husband and the baby goes to market and the mongoose go with them too. So the wife and her husband go to shopping, but the kid is playing there. Suddenly a snake comes, but the mongoose fight with the snake, so some blood will in the mongoose face. But when the wife comes, she see that some blood in the mongoose face. She thinks that the mongoose killed his baby. But when she go there, she saw his baby was playing. She was very sad because she killed the animal that saved the kid.
Okay, so Sonakshi has told us this story into English language. I know that there were some very small mistakes there. Like she used, I think, her for man instead of she had to use his. But no issues are there. I didn't help her. I didn't, just prepared her before you can say telling this story. She's told this story by herself. Understand? She translated everything and she made English of story by herself. Understand? But one thing is there, okay? Let us check her more. I will give her some more topics, random topics, okay? Sonakshi, speak something on your mother. Speak loudly.
My mother is so sweet. I love my mother so much.
Okay, very good. Speak on your father.
My father is so good.
Okay.
I love my father.
Very good. That's all. That's okay. Speak on something on our country, India.
India is a very big country. I love my country so much.
Very good. Speak on this fan.
The fan gives us air.
Very good. Very good. Very nice. So you have, you can say, you have watched and listened Sonakshi that how she performed and how she translated everything. This is a result of, she doesn't go to tuition to anyone, and whatever she learns at her school from her teachers. So the whole entire contribution, I think, is of herself and of course of those teachers who you can say put on hard work on herself. But definitely, obviously, individually she prepared herself. Understand? I have been coming here, I don't know how long, I think for more than 4 or 5 months I have been coming here, but I only come for 1 day in a week, 4 days in a month. So in 4 days to, you can say, train somebody in English language, it takes time, but definitely if that student is intelligent, definitely he can learn. Understand? So Sonakshi has learned a lot of things from myself as well, but on the very first day when I joined your school and come into your school, definitely at that time also Sonakshi was up to the mark and she, you can say, spoke good English. Understand? She used to give me answers of any translation, like whatever I gave her in Hindi language, she translated absolutely in a correct way that thing in English. So definitely she is very good, you can say, student, very intelligent student. You must, you can say, follow her. You must do hard work like her. Being disciplined, because she is always in discipline in her class. She never talks. She never involves in side conversation with anyone in the class. Understand? And she always sits with a good student. Understand? Who is similar to her, resembles her qualities. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So very good, Sonakshi. Today I don't have too much prize for her, but only token of appreciation. This little chocolate. With both hands, we just take the prize. Very good. Sit down, Sonakshi. Very nice. Okay.
ठीक है तो